It is a Monday. It is 8:25. Julia, Alyssa, and our mom went to Walmart, and also Julia had a doctor's appointment, so they went to that just now, and yeah.
Who is it?
That's Curry. On accident, I did in black hair instead of brown. Come on, hurry up. You want to draw.
Peyton, you look like a weirdo.
He always does.
You have your shirt tucked in.
What the heck are you doing? You will give me.
No.
Oh. Why you always stick your tongue out when
What? I have the hiccups. What? Oh my goodness, what?
I'm not talking to you.
Who are you talking to? No, I don't. I never know. There's too many Julias. What?
Stop having the hiccups.
I can't stop.
Nah, talking to you.
Oh, we both have the hiccups?
Yes.
That's weird.
Stop.
I can't.
Stop, face. Get ready for hers.
I don't know where it went.
That's your problem.
Okay, we're tired.
Happy girl, chunky girl. Chunky Abby. Chunky Abby.
Oh. Abby!
Did you just call her chunky?
Abby, look, you want your collar? Come here, baby girl. Ow! Hey. Ugly said he doesn't get a new collar. He loves getting new collars. Oh, you want it? Oh. No, there's not yours here. But a new bracelet?
An anklet.
No! Silly Willy?
It's for the puppy.
No.
Abby.
What do I do?
I can't get rid of the hiccups, though.
Abby,
What do I do?
take a tissue. Oh, she's
Yeah,
peeing! And she's stepping in
I
it!
just gave her a bit.
No!
Small, you can give him another.
No! Alright, Abby. Come here, baby.
Abby.
She fell.
Come here. Come, Abby.
She's videoing
You can go
a chair and nothing else.
No, I saw the beepies. Where did she go?
Gross.
After you get your collar, you can go to bed,
Get
okay?
rid of my hiccups. Oh my. I need scissors.
Yes.
Oh, I forgot scissors for her.
Come here, Pop.
Do you want to go to bed with the other one? I'm a puppy!
Okay, I have a collar for you, sweet girl.
Baby doll face. You're such a doll face.
Oh. No. Don't chew it. No.
You're gonna break your new collar, and we're gonna have to put on the old lame one.
She never even wore the old one. Really?
Yes, she did.
Really?
2 days.
2 hours. No, not 2 days. 2 hours.
No one is like Gaston. No one thinks like Gaston.
Did anybody get
no
me
one likes Gaston.
Did you get me scissors, please?
Yeah, we gotta think of something for tape.
I know.
Can you get me scissors, please?
No.
Shh, let me do it. Avery was.
No. Are you gonna eat that?
Are you?
No.
She keeps doing it.
Shh. No, I don't. Hey, Roke.
I need a shower now.
You always needed a shower. You can't eat it. He's struggling.
I'm a hot mess.
Not a hot mess. Just a mess.
Yeah, I know. Take it off.
You smell like ranch.
It hurts, it hurts.
You missed a lot.
Dang. I know.
Hey, what is on you?
Ranch. Ew! Julia slapped me with it. And a pepper.
I went like this.
And then she kept eating them. Look at him.
He's tired.
Okay, that's it. I'm the
What's your problem? Really? What'd you try to do the playground earlier? Huh?
You guys want to laugh?
Sure.
$903. Did that from the emergency room at Lansdale Hospital.
Okay, so right now we are outside going to Julia's basketball game.
Oakley, let's go.
With Dad. And
Brandon.
yeah. So, Dad, where are we heading to?
Oakley.
You're heading to Oakley?
Yeah.
Julia's getting him in.
Come on in, Oak.
No, I need help down the ramp. I just said that 10 times.
He's all the way out there.
Because I
We took down the playground. He's trying to get attention from our neighbor somewhere right there. And I thought I saw a puppy. Yeah, I did. I found Layla. Yep, he's out there. And Layla's right there.
What you doing, Baba? You Julia's game? You didn't want her to make it. Oh, miss. Oh, got it. Rebound, Blake. Come on.